Look at this worker's hand, right next to the blade of a paper cutter. Isn't he afraid of getting injured? To answer that, we first need to understand how a paper cutting machine actually works. Above the blade is a hydraulic system. When the machine is activated, a heavy paper clamp drops first, locking the entire stack of paper firmly in place. Then the blade descends at a slight angle, cutting downward. This design allows the machine to slice through thick stacks of paper with relatively little force, producing a clean, smooth edge. But that's also where the danger comes from. Because the cutting power is so strong, if a hand ever comes into contact with the blade, there is almost no reaction time. Fingers can be severed instantly. That's why modern paper cutters are not designed to rely on human reaction at all. Instead, they are built with multiple safety systems. The first is an infrared light curtain. In front of the cutting zone, there is an invisible grid of light beams. If a hand or any object breaks the beam, the blade stops immediately. The second is a two-hand activation system. On the control panel, two buttons are placed far apart. The operator must press both buttons at the same time with both hands for the machine to start. This ensures the hands can never be inside the danger zone during operation. So when you see a worker standing so close to the blade, it's not because he's reckless. It's because the machine itself has already engineered the risk out of the process. But that doesn't mean safety can be ignored. Even the safest machine in the world still depends on proper procedure. Of course, this does not mean carelessness is acceptable. No matter how safe a machine is designed to be, it still depends on people following the rules.